GIT में। हाँ यार, मजा आने वाला है। गाइस मैसेज मिला? तो बैठे क्या हो, चलो काम शुरू करते हैं।
We are at GIET University Gunupur, Odisha, one of the nodal center for the grand finale of Smart India Hackathon 2022. Hello, I am Chinmay Sahu and I, Samanvita Goda, extends our warm welcome to the grand finale of world's largest hackathon, that is Smart India Hackathon 2022. Smart India Hackathon brings the next generation evolution by inclusion of new methodologies to inculcate the culture of startup and innovation ecosystem of different age groups. The last edition of Hackathon saw over 5 million participants from various engineering colleges competing for the top prize at 35 plus locations. But this year, on the glorious eve of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, it has become more magnanimous with the participation of over 8 million participants all over the country, out of which 4,000 inventive ideas got selected for the grand finale of Smart India Hackathon 2022.
The wait is finally over. Smart India Hackathon 2022 grand finale begins on 25th August 2022.
SIS 2022 is a national level competition which is organized by the Ministry of Education, Innovationcell and the AICT Government of India. It is the largest innovative model.
Smart India Hackathon is the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister of Digital India,
Developing digital knowledge and making development a mass comprehensive movement. So are you guys excited?
Yes! We, the GITians, are looking forward, along with our 75 efficient volunteers, 75 faculty members,
and 75 supporting staff to welcome, to culture innovation and to praise the prodigious new innovators.